CP24. Tonight, the stars will be out, and we're talking maybe not what's in the sky, but what's going to be at the podium. There's a big fundraiser this evening, Scarborough Hospital's Cancer Care Program. And guess who's going to be delivering the keynote address? Arda Zakarian. Can you tell us?
Yes, I can. That will be the Duchess of York. Lady Sarah Ferguson will be here. She will be delivering the keynote address. And I've been told that working with hospitals is very near and dear to the Duchess's heart. And with me is Dr. Noria. Dr. Noria, you will be receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award at the gala this evening. So tell me, what does that mean to you?
Well, receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award really is a tremendous honor, and I'm truly humbled to receive this award. But this is for all the body of work that I've done in the healthcare sector in Ontario, for the Scarborough community, for the Scarborough Hospital. And I'm passionate about the hospital because I've been involved with it since the inception of the Birchmount campus of Scarborough Hospital.
And the Duchess of York, Lady Sarah Ferguson, will be alongside you as well this evening. Tell me, what does that mean for you to have her here?
Well, I can tell you that this is a special bonus for whole of Canada to have the Duchess here. It's unfathomable, and we are extremely privileged that she would highlight the cause for cancer, the reason to raise funds for cancer, and particularly in the Scarborough community, where the treatment for cancer is second to none. And we have chemotherapy over there, the best surgeons, the reconstructive surgery, the best of the diagnostic facilities are there. And we would want to provide cancer care in Scarborough at the same standards that is provided in downtown Toronto. So I'm really pleased that she is here. It will increase our profile, increase the awareness, and I hope tons of money comes to the Scarborough Hospital. That's our goal.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And this isn't the Duchess of York's first visit to our city, but we'll be asking her what her favorite part was so far and why she loves to come here. Back to you.
All right, Arda, thank you so much. Well, the cookies were the most popular item served during a high tea at the Fairmont Royal York this afternoon.